Okay, today we're going to be learning about synthetic division. Now we're going to be using dark green because that's a cool color. Okay, so our problem today is 3x squared plus 7x minus 20 divided by x plus 5. So the first thing you want to do, first of all, is make this shape. That was terrible. Make this shape like this. You want to make sure you have enough room for two different problems or numbers to stack up on top of each other. Then you want to find what's going to make this equal 0. That's going to be, what plus 5 is going to equal 0? Negative 5, obviously. So we're going to put negative 5 up here in its own little square. So then we want to write all the coefficients of these three numbers into the chart like this, just these first little numbers. And then your last one is going to go here. Okay? So, negative 20, by the way. So, what do you want to do first? You want to drop down your 3 to the bottom, below this, and then you're going to multiply all of these numbers by this negative 5. So 3 times negative 5 is what? Is negative 15. So then you're going to add these numbers, okay? So what is 7 plus negative 15? That's negative 8. So then negative 8 goes down here, and then you're going to multiply negative 8 by negative 5, which is going to give you positive 40. Okay, so then what is 40 plus negative 20? That is a positive 20. So this is your remainder, but we'll deal with that in a second. This is going to have one less than this always does, if that makes sense. I don't really know how to explain that, but you're going to take this down, and since this one has a x squared, it's just going to have an x this time because you're taking one little thing away. And then you have negative 8, so this has an x. Now this time it's not going to have an x, so that's just going to stay negative 8. And then this is a positive 20, so you're going to put plus. And then this, your remainder, this is your remainder, is going to go over whatever you divided it by every single time. So 20 plus 20 over x plus 5. And that is your final answer. That is how you do synthetic division. Let's do another problem. Hold on. Okay, how about we try x cubed, minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6, divided by x minus 3. Sorry, I have the problems written over here that I want to do. So, for this, what are we going to do for this? First things first, we're going to make our little chart. It's good enough. So what plus negative 3 is going to give you 0? 3. So we're going to put 3 over here. Give 3 its own little area. So we're going to bring these down, these 4 down. X is 1, so 1 is going to come down. Negative 2. Negative 5. And 6 is going to go on this side because it's the last one. Alright. So 1 we're going to bring straight down. 1 times 3 is 3. It's going to go right here. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, I can't write. It's going to go right here. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Again, 1 times 3 is 3. Oh my gosh. Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Okay. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And this is going to give you 0. So we don't have a remainder this time, which means this does not have to go over this. So, like last time, 1 less than the thing it was before. I don't know the terminology for that. So this is just going to be x squared, because not cubed, squared. And then so this one, 1 plus x, because 1 less than x squared is just going to be an x. Plus. Okay, and then minus 2 I think that's it. I don't know. I don't think you have to do plus 0, but if you do, I'm sorry. But yeah, I think that's, I think this is your final answer here. So yes, that is how it's